Welcome to Acronym. In this video, we are going to take a look on some stat functions such as average, mean, and median and mode. Now here is my sample data, and you can see that we have name column here, and then we have salary column here. And I'm adding some repeated value for the mode example. So if you see that we have John here with 700 right there, and there are 3 records for John right there. Now here is the variable I'm defining, and it's going to be struct type, and then my fields are name and sales. For name, I'm using the data type string type, and for sales, I'm using the data type as integer type. So we'll use this schema against our data set right here, and then we'll create our data frame df. So here is our data frame df, and we are creating by using spark.create data frame. Here is our sample data, and then providing the schema for that sample data to create our data frame df. Now here we are using a df.show to see the results of our data frame. So let's execute this code right here, and then we will take a look. Okay, here's my output for my data frame, and then we can see right there we have name and the sales column right there. Okay, let's go to the next step and take a look on different stat aggregation functions. So here is the average that computes the average or mean of the sale, and then you have the definition right there, but most of us probably know what is average, and then here we are going to apply the average on it. So here I'm creating a new data frame called df underscore average equal to df. That's our original data frame, and then we are saying average aggregate function right there, and then providing the aggregate function average, and on which column? Sales. So we would like to calculate the average of sales column, and then we alias this as average sales. Then I'm printing this data frame df underscore average by using a show function. So let's execute this one, and we'll take a look what value it will return us. It is returning us a 505.55554, and that's the average of all these values what we have right here in the salary. Now in the next function, we are going to go ahead and find the mean. So there is a mean function available that computes the mean of sales similar to the average. And here is a definition and the example. Just read this when you need to, if you need to read. And now I'm creating a new data frame called df mean here, applying on the main data frame that we have sample data frame df aggregate function, and here I'm applying mean function on the sales column, and then I'm aliasing or naming this new column as mean sales, and then finally I'm printing the data frame contents by using a show function here. So this is going to return us the same value as our average has returned. So you can see right there, so new column mean sales equal to 505.5555 and all that at the end. Now here if we would like to calculate the median, that we can do in the PySpark as well, and the function available is called median that computes the median of sales. So here now we are creating a new data frame called df median, and applying on the same data frame that we have originally created is called df, and the aggregate function here apply the median function on the sales column, and then we call this column as a median sale. Now we are going to go ahead and print the results from the data frame df underscore median by using show function. So now it's going to return us the median of the sales. So here it comes, that's a 550, that's the value for our median sale. Now if we would like to calculate mode, and mode computes the mode, that means most frequent value of the sale. So that's what it is going to return us. And here what we'll do, we'll say df mode, that's a new data frame, applying on the our existing data frame df aggregate function, and then we say mode and this on the sale column, and alias that as the mode sales, and then we are printing this by using show function. So if I execute this one, what's going to happen? It's going to return us the mode sales, that's a 700. So in this video we covered average, mean, median, and mode, and I'm looking forward to see you guys in next videos where we are going to cover some more aggregate functions. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.